English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C1, Amendment, Dominant, Otherwise. Amendment. Amendment is a noun. C1 learners usually know amendment. An amendment is a small change or addition in a text or a ruling. Here are some examples. No one I know is affected by this amendment. The proposed amendment to the rules needs to be ratified at the AGM. A number of amendments were made to the minutes of the meeting. Dominant. Dominant is an adjective. C1 learners usually know dominant. Dominant means the strongest or having power and influence over others. Here are some examples. For most people, the right hand is the dominant one. It seems that they will not be the dominant power for long. The company is now in a more dominant position in the market than before. Otherwise. Otherwise is an adverb. C1 learners usually know otherwise. Otherwise is another way of saying or else. Here are some examples. You need to go now, otherwise you will miss the bus. He is not motivated by money, otherwise he would have quit earlier. Everyone involved needs to help, otherwise this plan will not work. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with amendment, dominant and otherwise. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the free CEFR C1 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.